Meaning of life form.
Life form.
Life form.
Life form.
Life form. The term life form refers to any living organism, be it a plant, animal, or microbe, that exhibits the characteristics of life, such as growth, reproduction, adaptation, and response to stimuli. Life forms can vary in size, complexity, and habitat, and they are typically classified into different groups based on their biological characteristics. Understanding life forms is fundamental to the study of biology and ecology, as well as our understanding of the origins and diversity of life on Earth.